Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I came on today to do a haul. I have a question for you though. Is there a point in doing no spend January if you just spend twice as much in February? It's only the 4th. I received an Amazon shipment, and also I've got some goodies from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I picked up. The first thing is from Amazon. It is an old-fashioned Dymo label maker. I can't remember who it was, but I saw somebody use one of these, and it was super cute. And I thought it would be something fairly inexpensive, but it would be great to send in swaps, is little labels. So in here right now is gold. And I don't know, we had one of these growing up. It was a little bit longer than this, but I wish I had the original, but they still sell this. So I have a gold in here, and you basically just turn the dial, find the letter, number, or punctuation that you want. You squeeze it. I put a space at the end, and then you cut it. And this is what it looks like. So this one says Bloom. And I just thought those are really cute. You could use these, you know, when you're layering your embellishments up, just as a little word phrase on there. I had made some up for a little embellishment swap that I'm doing, embellishment box swap. So I'll just show you some of them that I made here. I did flourish on this white color, and I'll show you all the colors I picked up too. Friend in the pink. I've got the gold. Happiness, I did some in the white. So I just created a bunch of these that I'm gonna send along in that. But it came with 2 blacks and a red. They come like this for the refills. And this is an extra color pack I picked up. There's 2 pink, 2 black, 2 green, 2 yellow, and 2 blue. So more like primary colors, but no red. I'm glad that it came with the pink though. That's a really pretty pink. And then this fun one is silver, white, gold, copper, and black. So I'll put a link to these down below. I just thought it was something fun, something different. And I think they look really cute, like I said, on embellishment clusters. So I got that. And then I think that was it from Amazon. I'll get into my Dollar Tree haul. The first thing is they have their organizing baskets out. So it's like their Essentials brand, and they have the prettiest colors. They have this aqua green, which is the color in my craft room that I have all my organizing bins in this color. So I picked up this basket. They have a very pretty light pink. They have a gray and like a an orange color. They're super pretty and nice quality. This is thick, so this is a large basket. I also picked up these, which they are just little containers. Let me see how wide it is. It is almost 7 inches, or about 7 inches, and it's divided into 2. So there's this little flip top here where you can put some things in there. So I thought this would be great for organizing the craft room, and I actually thought that it might house these. Let's see if they fit. Oh, those go perfectly in there. I can store those in there. Like that. I could put, you know, any that I create that are extras, I could put in here. Like that. That is just perfect. And then the lid snaps on, and it's got the 2 side handles that snap together to keep it closed. So for $1, that's really neat. So I picked up 2 of those. I got a couple ribbon here. This is just like a sheer kind of organza pink. This is a green sequin trim that I thought was cute. I didn't go crazy with the felt stickers because I don't use them that much, but I thought the carrots were cute, kind of different. And then I just picked up white tulle because I don't have any tulle in this larger size in the, I think it's 6 inches. I just have the 3-inch kind, so I picked that up. So that was one trip. And then I made another trip picked up these little storage containers. They're little drawers, and they have these in the same colors, so everything coordinates. And I am going to do a craft room tour for you guys soon. I just have to work on my lighting in here. I don't have good lighting where I craft, so I just have my ring light that I craft with. Yeah, these are just little pull-out drawers. That's super cute. It's small. It's only 5 inches, but put little embellishments or little goodies in there to house. So I got one of those. Picked up a little fan for my work area. It doesn't get real warm down here, but it's winter time now, so you know, I might need it in the summer. I thought it was cute and it coordinated. Picked up one more ribbon. This is also a pink, but it's more of a canvasy type. I'm not sure if you can tell the texture there, but it's not your regular ribbon. It's got a little bit of texture. The whole thing that I went for were, let me grab them out, were these coasters. I saw somebody haul them, and I thought they would be perfect for rosettes, to put a rosette on top of it, like a base for your rosette. So like I said, they're called coasters. Take them out. You get 4 in a pack. They are about 3 inches by 3 inches. They come in this pretty melony pink, an aqua, a mint green, and a purple. So there's a couple different shapes. But I just think they're adorable. Okay, so I took them all out of the package so we could see. So this is about how thick they are. And they're stiff. I mean, they would really make cute coasters, actually. Your condensation would drip through here and get on your table though, so I'm not really sure the point of that would be, but adorable, adorable, adorable. So I love these. These got me totally in the spring mood. And then to also go along with it, I definitely did not need any more of these, but I couldn't resist. So they have the coordinating paper straws to go with them. So they have the aqua, the pink, the purple, and the mint. And they look so cute with them. I mean, look at that. How can you not? How could you pass that up? That is so adorable. This really gets me excited to do spring crafting. I'm finishing up Valentine's right now, but I'm totally looking forward to using these types of colors. But that's it. That's what I picked up at Dollar Tree. I can't wait to start crafting with it. I'm going to leave the link for the label maker down below if you're interested, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.